Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID is signed in and your account country matches your billing address. This avoids payment rejections. Once done, have the card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing ZIP ready so you won't stall at the form. Open the App Store app and tap the profile icon in the top right to access account settings. From there, select Manage Payments or Payment and Shipping to start adding a new card. This places you directly into the payment entry flow. Next, tap Add Payment Method and choose Credit or Debit Card to bring up the entry form. Carefully type the card number, the expiry in MM/YY, and the CVV, and then enter the billing ZIP or postal code exactly as your bank has it. Mismatches cause declines. Make sure the name on the card matches your bank record. Once entered, you can optionally enable this card for Apple Pay. This simplifies future purchases. But first, save and proceed to the verification step. Finish by completing bank verification. You may receive an SMS code, an email link, or a temporary small authorization charge that appears on your statement. Follow the prompt to confirm. After verification, confirm the card is listed under payments and try a free or low-cost purchase to ensure checkout succeeds. If the card is declined, check that your Apple ID country matches billing address exactly matches bank records, and then contact your bank. Often a quick authorization clears the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.